This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 92 of building the Ford GT from DeAgostini. This is the last of this month's delivery, and it should be quite a straightforward one. Right, we've finished all the hoses and stuff now, so we'll get to proper building. But first of all, we're going to look at the second victory from Le Mans. Number 6, that's the one we're building. That one. Good. Yeah, there we go. So we get to see all the cars in their black and white glory. Read all about it if you so desire. Pause it and feel free to have a look at all the text. But let's get on with the building. This is the headlamp housings. Basically, we've got this in this issue. We've got the same again, but the opposite side from last issue. We're going to put them together and then fit them to our front nose bumper grille thing. So we're going to end up with something a bit like that. Yeah, let's get straight to it. So here we have, from this time, we've got that one with some screws. From last time, we've got that one and some screws. This, first of all, just clips in place. No screws required. If you can get it lined up properly, it just clips in place. There's a post and a hole, post and a hole. Feel it locating. There we go. Yeah, good push fit on that. Nice and easy. Then we're going to need 3 of these FD01 screws. 4 in there, but we'll be using one more for the other side. I think I've got spares floating around anyway, so I shall use those first. One prepped. So this is going on this side, basically in there like that. We've got 3 attachment points. Fits in quite nicely in there anyway. Get the first screw in a bit and make sure it's actually in. Try again. As ever, we're putting in multiple screws like this. Always worth not tightening down the first one. It actually says in the instructions, put in the outside ones first, and then the middle one. But in my experience, it doesn't actually matter which order you do them in, as long as you leave enough wiggle room to maneuver things around. So before you tighten any of them down properly, get that. Oh, it's got to go under there at the front. That's why it's not quite lined up. But again, get the screw in the right place on the screwdriver. That's always useful. Try that again then. That in there. One down in there. Come on. See where it needs to go, but it's just not going in there very well for me. Let's try it around the other way. That's a little bit easier. There we go, that one. And the last one. It's harder to see because it's in there deep. In the depth and the darkness. There we go, that's that. Right, let me get this connected together as well. Just like so. Get the 3 screws in from that side and tighten them all up and see what it looks like done. Alright, there we go, all tight and secure and ready to be attached, I believe, to the car next time, but that's next month. That's, as I say, is the end of this month's delivery, so we're all done and dusted for there. I'm quite happy with that. I like the building bits when it goes like this and when there's no hoses involved. So that is that ready and to be put aside for next time. The screws I had spare were actually FP01. Be careful. Don't use them instead of the FD. The D's go into the metal rather than plastic. So that's that. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you next month for more of this, but tomorrow for more different part works. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.